create an elegant half updo discreetly secured with 3 Magic-Grip hairpins. Gather the top section of hair and insert the legs of the Magic-Grip hairpin either side of the section from the bottom up. Gently pull out this section once secure to create some volume. Then isolate the 2 side sections of hair. Cross them over to cover the first Magic-Grip hairpin from the top section. Working one side at a time, twist and push up under the section from the opposite side. Secure with a Magic-Grip hairpin, inserting it at an angle and pushing up to hide the pin. Repeat with the other side, inserting the pin upwards at an angle towards the center. Push the pins up and gently spread the side sections down to cover the hairpins if necessary. Incorporate and comb the remainder of the hair down. A classic and elegant half updo held securely with 3 hidden Magic-Grip hairpins.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.